Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you daily Chinese handwriting on the character Xing step by step. I will first write it in regular script, then following one word and one sentence. That's right. Xing. To appear. To look. Shape. For example, 形状 shape. Form shape. Is it the right shape and size? Is it the right shape and size? 这是不是正确的形状和大小？这是不是正确的形状和大小？Is it the right shape and size? 这是不是正确的形状和大小？Is it the right shape and size? 这是不是正确的形状和大小？形 in cursive. 形 to appear, to look, shape. 形状 form, shape. Is it the right shape and size? 这是不是正确的形状和大小？形 Please comment any words or sentence with the character 形. I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.